600.
Hey guys, so it's morning, it's another day. I don't know what day it is.
26.
26? Okay. So yeah, we're on our way to the Arte Museum. The Uber is already here. And after that, we're gonna go for the lunch. We wanted to do brunch, but all the spots were filled, so we had to book like 12. And then we'll see what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. So yeah, come with us. Okay, because this was a continuation of the other vlog, I didn't have an intro for it, but here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanatwa, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy the vlog.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are.
Okay, so this is our last room, and we're right on time. It's almost 12. And we're just gonna walk over to Chéri's. That's where we're having our brunch today.
God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Okay, so we ordered omelets and they call it potato cake, but then I think it's just hash browns and English muffins. Yeah, something like that. And I really like my omelet, and I think Roger likes yours too. Okay guys, good evening. So after our brunch, we just came to our hotel and then here we were resting because apparently we don't have anything to do anymore. But now we're on our way to the airport. We did book a helicopter tour of the strip and that's where we're going. And I would like to say, if you're coming to Vegas and you don't gamble or party, then you probably need to be here for just 3 days because there's really nothing much to do. So that's why we've been coming back like in the afternoon to just sleep, because we feel like we're done with everything, and the few activities that we had booked, yeah, we're just gonna do them when we're supposed to.
It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win it. Got a question, yeah. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow, flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, yeah. Holy Ghost inside.
We decided to come here because yeah, we just looked up and it seems like it's really a famous place. So this is Fremont Street, and this street is well known for free entertainment. So we're just gonna walk down the street and see what they do have to offer. And as you can see, it's covered with like a massive LED Viva Vision canopy, and at times it displays like music.
You can't hide. It's just one
We're already getting tired, guys. But I think I really liked the band. I could actually stay there for longer. But anyways, let's continue going down and see if there is more. That's it for tonight, guys. We're now going back to the hotel. I think, yeah, we really had fun. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So we're going for brunch. I think I've been doing brunch because we don't wake up that early. And yeah, we just get done around lunch, breakfast time, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, we've been doing brunch and I think we're going to continue doing that. So we're going for brunch and then we go to this other place. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I'll look it up. Venetian. You hear that? Yeah, so that's where we're going. And then in the evening we're probably going to go to the sea. So yeah, come with us. Come spend the day with us. The trip is almost over, by the way. How are you feeling? Mid. Okay. Yeah, honestly I feel like it's good to just tick off Las Vegas off the bucket list. Yeah, but I wouldn't come back. Yeah, would you?
I feel like I've done everything.
You've done everything.
So.
Exactly.
So yeah, you want to take notions away,
probably won't be coming back. But we're not saying it's bad. It's nice, but there's no reason to come back. We feel like we're done with it. So yeah. Okay guys, we're now at Spago. That's where we're having our brunch today, and we did book like outside, so we're going to be sitting close to the falls, the Bellagio Falls. This restaurant is actually inside Bellagio Hotel. Adopted as God's children, redeemed by this hope. We have been saved, but who can praise God from the grave? So we will rise upon that day, glorifying your name above all names. I need him each moment. I have come to know the peace that he bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing
Italiano, go, Joe, you mixed up to Giuliano. Or you calibrate, you do the mambo like a crazy when you hear mambo. Don't want the tarantella, hear mambo. No more the mozzarella, hear mambo. Mambo, Italiano, try an enchilada with the fish and bacala. Say, hey, a gomba, I love the way you dance a rumba. Take some advice, paisano, learn how to mambo. If you're gonna be a square, never gonna go nowhere. Now, hey, mambo, mambo, Italiano, hey, mambo, mambo, Italiano, go, go, show you shake it like a Giovanna. Hello, quesadilla, you get happy with the pizza when you mambo, Italiano.
Okay, we're done with our gondola ride and we're just gonna get some gelato and then we'll probably head back to the hotel.
You're a perfect man, got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see?
Hi everyone, I'm taking over. Yay! Anyways, it's the 28th of December 2025 and it's on last night in Vegas. It's about 7. And yeah, tonight we're going to the top of the world, this restaurant. It's a really nice sushi restaurant. If you come to Vegas, you should probably not leave without getting into that restaurant. Anyways, so yeah, our reservation is for 8:30. So right now, get ready with me and partially Tanatwa, because yeah, I'm taking over now. Bye.
Okay, so unfortunately I couldn't find my brown liner, so we're trying something new over here with whatever that I have. So I didn't check like the name of the pencil that I used, but yeah, I'm still using my Rose MV for the lip gloss.
Done, guys. I think I should show you my little fit. Okay, I think you see like, hi everyone, I'm back. So I'm wearing this red jumpsuit. Okay, you can't really see this jumpsuit, but I'll show you later on. And then this fur coat. And yeah, I'm done. Yeah.
Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire. Purified, Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire. Yeah. Purified, Lord, take whatever you desire.
This restaurant is inside the Strat Hotel on the 107th floor. And I think it's the best steakhouse in Vegas. It's a rotating steakhouse. So in 90 minutes, it should have completed one revolution. And you see like the city views.
Hold a hand and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet.
No lies, okay? No lies. Guys, this is the best steak I've ever had. And Lati said the same thing. This steak is so good. I know I said I'm not coming back to Vegas, but for this steak, I might just find myself in Vegas again. Just for the steak though. Here is the evidence that the food was so good. 10 out of 10, except for the steak that we didn't eat only because it was really cooked and we had ordered well done. But besides that, everything was exceptional. We're not having our dessert and we got back to the hotel. Tomorrow we'll be flying out of Vegas. If you have watched the vlog to this far, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next vlog. Bye.